Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in lecture number 4 of Civil 3D. So guys, in this particular lecture, I am going to add the curve over here. Okay, and with respect to that, we can see how it is best fit for our alignment designing. So first of all, what you have to do, just go over here, select the free curve fillet. You need to select the first entity, you need to select the second entity, click on the less than 180, and you need to then specify your radius, okay, from here. Okay, and you need to just specify your next point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just provide the maximum radius point for you all. Okay, so because here we need to provide the maximum radius point. Okay, so I'm putting like this. Okay, now you can see this radius what I have done or drawn over here. So I just press S select and escape. So you can see it provide a red color warning. It means it is not best fit for me. So what I have to do is just click over here. You can see the geometry. Okay. Now here we need to do just click on this constraint parameter. We need to unlock this parameter. Now we need to just put the radius over here because minimum radius is required 250. So we can put as a 250 and enter. So it is could not save. Okay, so what we have to do, we need to consider as a pass through. Okay, and we can provide it as a 250. Now again it is not going to happen, so just we need to click on a radius. Okay, we can put as a length, let's put length as a 60. Let's see whether it is changed or not. So it is changed. We can increase the radius, we can increase the length, it automatically increase the radius. So we can put it as 100. Let's see whether it is changed or not. It is become 200. Like you can see, based on that the calculation also changes. Now I can put it as a 150. Let me say it will could not solve because yes, we don't have the length over here. So let me increase this to 110. Okay, it is could not solve, right? It means we need to we need to satisfy this curve as our the final radius. Okay, and we need to lock this one. Okay, and just click on. So this is what we have our as a final alignment, right? Now in next video I'll be teaching you how we can draw the vertical profile. Okay, so thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye.